Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So today we're going to go ahead and talk about when an application should use push piers. Push piers can be used in almost any application except for when the load that they're going to be carrying isn't very heavy. Like let's say porch stoops or columns typically don't have a whole lot of weight because they don't carry much for like roof load or framing load or any additional like slab loading that a typical house may have. So those column footings are typically going to be pretty light. So we wouldn't want to use a push pier there. We'd want to use a helical pier. On the actual house itself, it still depends. Some of the houses in Southern California have pretty shallow footings, so you got to kind of be careful there too, because it doesn't allow a lot of weight that the push pier can push against to install the pipe down to competent material. We want to make sure we get down to competent material and not just start lifting your home, so we don't have this issue of settlement coming back in the future. So that's a little bit why we choose push piers. In the next episode, we'll talk about why we choose helical piers for those lighter structures that we talked about. So stay tuned and we'll see you soon.